COMELEC Checkpoint Kick-Off Ceremony isinagawa sa Taytay, Rizal. Ibig sabihin, umpisa na ng eleksyon 2025. Magtatapos ang gun ban hanggang June 11, 2024.
Magandang umaga po. COMELEC Checkpoint lang po. Paalala lang po. Ingat po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Sir, okay lang, sandali lang po. Sige. Ano masasabi niyo po sa ganitong COMELEC Checkpoint na at saan ng PNP, sir?
Okay naman po, sir. Maganda po. Yun lang po.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat, sir. Thank you po.
Ingat po kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat.
Salamat po, sir.
Salamat po. Salamat. Anong masasabi niyo po sa ganitong checkpoint ngayong malapit na election?
Okay naman kasi safe para dun sa mga motorista at mga mamamayan natin.
Oo po, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay lang naman po yan para hindi sa kaligtasan ng mga motorista. Okay po ako dyan, taas kamay ako.
Ma'am, nakita ko ma'am kasama niyo pa aso niyo. Tawag dito sa inyo po, ano po masasabi niyo po sa nagaganap ng COMELEC Checkpoint sa lahat po ng part ng Rizal?
Ay okay naman po, para din naman sa amin yan at sa mga motorista.
Ayan, maraming salamat ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, thank you.
Oh!
Commission of Elections, and of course other stakeholders are fully committed to ensuring the peaceful and orderly conduct of the 2025 midterm and national elections. This is a great beginning for all of us. While it may seem like just a ceremony, kagaya nitong ginagawa natin, every journey begins with a single small step, as they say. I am excited about this initiative because it represents an important start in our pursuit of secure, accurate, free, and fair elections. Today marks the official start of the gun ban, which takes effect today. Kasama upang maiwasan ang mga ganitong gawain at manapay. We in the Philippine National Police, of course under the leadership of our Chief PNP, Police General Romel Francisco D. Marbib, and of course our Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Paul Kenneth Lucas, have remained an apolitical police force dedicated to preserving peace and order while being loyal to our Constitution as the nation approaches the 2025 midterm and national election. We are collaborating closely to ensure that the 2025 elections will have a secure environment, allowing Filipino voters to exercise their right to vote freely and without fear. Sa ating pong sama-samang pagtutulungan, ating pong makakamit ang mapayapang halalan tungo sa isang layunin, ang makabagong halalan para sa makabagong Pilipino. At ang sabi ng ating Chief PNP, sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, of course, ligtas tayo. Muli, maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Talaga, sir. Sir, nabotahe ko po talaga yung mic kasi 10 pages po yung speech ni sir. Thank you very much, Police Colonel Dominic Labaw Bacay, the Deputy Regional Director for Operations Pro Calabarzon, sir. At this point, we'd like to request our Provincial Election Supervisor, Attorney Arnulfo H. Peyoquito, sir.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am MC po. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Isang pagpalang umaga po. At gusto ko pong batiin unang-una ang ating mainit-init pa na DRDO, number 2 man ng region, si number 3, Colonel Bacay, sir. Although nagkasama kami ni sir na for a short period of time, last election, pero na-transfer po ako. And I beg to disagree doon sa sinasabi ni sir kanina na it's a pattern na from Rizal ay alam nyo na kung saan pupunta. I beg to disagree po because ang first and foremost consideration po for me is yung ating performance. Yan, sir. So, napakagaling po ng mga nanggaling sa Rizal, si Sir Bacay, at gusto ko rin pong batiin ang ating iniidolo ng lahat ng kapulisan sa Rizal, ang iniidolo dahil sa kanyang angking kapugihan at kakisigan at sa kanyang kahusayan na pamumuno dito sa PNP Rizal, si Sir Colonel Felipe Marabon, sir. Siya po ay napakaraming innovation na nakikita natin sa PPO. At sa atin pong Army, represented by Major Orenia, sir. Sa ating Coast Guard, represented by Sir Benedicto, sir. Sa ating Chaplain, sir. At kay Ma'am, sa Ma'am Angot sa Bureau of Fire, Superintendent ng kay Dory, kasama ko dito sa Taytay. Siya po ang election officer. Kaya sa lahat po ng ating men and women in uniform, sa magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang kagandahan ng muling nagsasalita. Nabanggit na po nung ating naunang speaker. So I respectfully adapt all their messages. Ngayon po ang buod at nilalaman ng ating event na ito. But anyway po, mahirap ay pantay-pantay. Ang bawat isa po sa atin ay bibilangin lang isang boto. Kung mayaman ka man, mahirap, isang boto lang po. So iyan po ay tulad ng nasabi ng ating demokrasya. Ang ating pong paghahanda ngayon ay isa lamang sa mga bagay na ating gagawin upang magkaroon tayo ng tahimik, maayos na halalan. So
Yan po, muli, magandang umaga po.
Thank you very much, Attorney Errol Pinto, the Provincial Election Supervisor. Now, before we proceed with the COMELEC checkpoint proper, we'd like to request, or we'd like to introduce to you the composition of our COMELEC checkpoint. I am proud and honored to introduce to you the PNP checkpoint composition, starting with the team leader. The team leader shall lead and take responsibility for the checkpoint conduct referee a police commission officer. Next, we have here the advanced security. The advanced security will provide security in the area. We have also here the security. Also, we have here the spotter. PNP personnel who lead and take responsibility in the conduct of checkpoint, or the person who will monitor profiles of tech vehicles subject of our checkpoint. Also, we have here the searcher and verifier. The searcher and verifier is selected to search and ensure the arrest if necessary. The profiler. And also, we have here the rear security. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the composition of our PNP checkpoint. We will proceed with the COMELEC checkpoint proper service.
Morning, sir.
Border control point. Initially, nagsabi sa atin na